Hello and welcome to another Canva tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can remove background from an image using Canva. Let's just use this one. Size it. And then go to edit image. And then go to background remover. You see the background is removed. And I want to show you another example. You can use this luxury mansion. Let's remove background from this too. Edit image, background remover. So this is how you remove a background using Canva. Actually, the background removing tool is only for Canva Pro users. If you want to try out Canva Pro, you can do so by clicking the link in the description box and you will get a 30-day free trial. If you enjoyed this video, please leave it a thumbs up. If you want to watch more tutorials just like this, subscribe to this channel and I will see you in the next video.